Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to implement a texture to the IMOS database. There are 3 steps to this tutorial. First step is to create a seamless texture. We go to the website where the texture is located, we right click on it and save it to our desktop. We can also rename it to be more organized for the future work. Then we open it in Photoshop. We go to the toolbar on top and choose Filter, Other and then Offset. We move the cursors until the seams are in the middle of the texture. Now we go to the toolbar on our left and choose Clone Stamp tool. We click and hold Alt on the keyboard and left click to clone a part of the texture. Then we let go of the key on the keyboard and go over the seam. We repeat this action until we are satisfied with our result. After we finished, we click File, choose Save As, and save it on our desktop. We can choose any other file format, but today we are going to be working with a JPEG file. In the second step of the tutorial, I will show you how to implement the texture in the IMOS library. First, we go and open this PC, Windows C file, Program Data, IMOS-AG, IMOS Library, and IVIS. Then we drag and drop the texture that we made earlier into this IVIS folder. After this, we are going to look for an existing DWG folder so that we can make a new one for a new material. We drag and drop the DWG file in IMOS folder and double click to open it. When it is open, we click Presentation on the toolbar and then Material Browser. We click on the material. First, we need to change the name. If the name bar doesn't work, try right-clicking and then clicking on the name bar again. If that doesn't work either, you can go on the toolbar information and just change it there. Then we click on the JPEG name of the texture and locate the texture that we made. This is why renaming it is important. When we find it, click Open and then we save the result. We go to Save As and again search for the IVIS folder. We go to Program Data, IMOS-AG, Library, IVIS, and then choose the Material DWG folder. We can also check the Update Sheet checkbook so it remembers the file location and we don't have to find it again. After, we choose the file name and click Save. we open a new drawing and close the existing one. To make a new material, we go to Top tab and choose Main Data, Element Manager, and choose Color Principles. We choose an existing one, change the name, and select the material DWG file we just made. Then click Save to make the new color principle. Now we go back to Materials tab, open the Materials section, and choose an existing one. We again change the name and in section Color Principles choose the new one that we made previously. We can search for it on the right side or choose the search bar on top and write the name in it. Then we click on it and hit Apply. After that, we choose option Save. We just finished making a new material. In the third step, we are going to apply and scale the texture. Now, to make another size of the existing material, we just change the name and the thickness dimensions and then click Save. Now we are going to test it out. First, we go to Article Designer, choose Top View, and make a simple box drawer. Set the height and add the sides. Confirm and save it if you wish. We click to add it to our drawing and then double left click to apply. After, we change the viewport preset from 2D into realistic and hit article related variables, left click on the drawer to select it and right click to apply. A new window opens where we are going to change the material of the drawer. We go to Box, click on the arrow and choose the material that we made earlier. Hit Apply and again Apply, then Yes to see the correct result in the viewport. Now let's say that the texture could be a little bit bigger. We make another box. And go to Main Data, Element Manager and click on the Color Principle section. Then just choose a bigger or smaller value in the scale number and hit Apply. Now we can close the Element Manager and once again go to Article Related Variables, left and right click on the drawer and add the material. Search for it in the Materials section and then hit Apply twice and Yes to get the end result. Now we can see that the texture on the right box is bigger. After, we can delete the left drawer we go and choose the Presentation tab, pick the medium render quality. After that, click on Adjust Exposure, turn the environment on and bring the exposure value to around 9.6. To change the background, check the Use Custom Background option with solid type and pick the color white. Now we can choose the render dimensions and hit render. We can see that the texture is looking good with no edges. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and see you next time.